Good morning, students. The students of class 5. I hope you all are well. Today, I have come to take your GK subject with a new topic about versatile visionaries. 15 subchapter and 17 subchapter splendid skyscrapers. These two chapters will read today. আজকে আমরা এই দুটো চ্যাপ্টার পড়ব. So let's start about this chapter. In this page, 4 pictures are there. All of you will see these pictures and some information is there, and their names are written below of this page. Identify the world famous celebrities and basic of given description. Now let's start about Subhash Chandra Bose. He is the famous freedom fighter, one of the most prominent Indian freedom fighters, popularly known as Netaji. He founded Netaji Army Azad Hind Fauj in 1942 in Southeast Asia during World War II with an aim to secure India's independence from Britain. The answer will be Subhash Chandra Bose. Next, Mao Zedong. Do you know who is he? He is a great person. He is called father of the People's Republic of China and leader of the Chinese Revolution. He is successfully repelled Japanese invasion during the World War II. His contribution to make China a world power is unforgettable. The answer is Mao Zedong. Who is George Washington? Do you know? George Washington is also a famous person. Who is founding father of the United States of America. He was the first president of USA. His foresight, vision, strategic planning and ability to lead made him a great leader. The answer is George Washington. And the last one is Anne Frank. Who is Anne Frank? This lady is Anne Frank. This teenage girl was one of her 1 million Jewish children who died in the Holocaust. She kept a diary full of details of her family's attempt to hide from Nazis during the Holocaust. The answer is Anne Frank. I hope all of you have watched and listened this video very carefully and listen this class about this chapter very carefully. Now turn the next page. Page number 17, Splendid Skyscrapers. Already I have written some answer inside this circle. Some information and some clues are there about the splendid skyscrapers, and the name of these splendid skyscrapers are there written in this box. Let's learn one by one about these splendid skyscrapers. Number 1, Taipei 101 or Taipei 101. Which one is this splendid skyscrapers? Do you know? The picture is, this is that picture. With a height of 509 meter, this skyscraper in Taiwan comprises 101 floor above ground and 5 floors underground. এই স্কাইস্ক্র্যাপারে দেখতে পাচ্ছ 509 মিটার লম্বা, এটার 101টা ফ্লোর আছে আর আন্ডারগ্রাউন্ডে 5টা ফ্লোর আছে। Petronas Towers. Which one is this tower? This one, Petronas Towers. These towers in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, are the tallest twin building in the world. This is the tallest twin building. It is in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The 452 meter high towers are connected by a 2-story sky bridge on 41st and 42nd floors. Next, One World Trade Center. What is the skyscraper. Look at this picture and identify that. This one is World Trade Center. The tallest building in USA. This one is the tallest building in USA with 541.3 meter of height. It is main building of rebuilt World Trade Center complex in New York City after 9/11. Okay, now Burj Khalifa. Let's learn about Burj Khalifa. This one is Burj Khalifa. Skyscrapers. This is the Burj Khalifa skyscrapers pictures. Let's learn about this Burj Khalifa. With a height 828 meter and 160 stories, it is the tallest man-made structure in Dubai. Burj Khalifa is in Dubai. And last one is Shanghai World Financial Center. Which one this picture? The picture is this one, Shanghai World Financial Center. Standing tall at 492 meter at Shanghai, it is the tallest structure in the People's Republic of China. I hope all of you have written the answer inside this circle. Look at the answer. I have written the answers and already given some information from your book. I hope all of you have understood about today's class. Next day again I will come to take your GK subject with a new topic. So thank you.